Namaskaram is the traditional way to start and end a dance session. It is also called Tatti Kumbidal in Tamil. The dancer seeks forgiveness from Mother Earth for stamping on her and also invokes vibrations of spirituality. With Namaskaram, we offer our prayers to the Lord, to our Guru and the audience present. Step-by-step guide on how to do the Namaskaram. Stand in Samapadam position with feet together. Hold the hands at chest level in Kataka Mukha Hasta facing each other. With a slight dip, lift and strike the right leg first, then the left leg, and finish standing in Sama position. Eyes should look at Kataka Mukha Hasta of the tapping feet and look in front. Hold Shikhara Hasta facing downwards straight in front of you. Then slowly moving your hands and placing them on your shoulders. Open both your hands sideways in Pataka Hasta and move your hands downwards, bringing them in parallel position to each other. Please remember, your eyes should follow the right hand movement. Sit in Murumandi or the full sitting position, raising the heels. Please remember to point your knee joints to the sides. Next, bring your hands near your eyes, keeping the elbows properly positioned at shoulder level, and then touch the floor again. Get up slowly by resting your heels on the ground and coming back to Sama position. While standing, raise your hands above your head in Anjali Hasta. Hold the Anjali Hasta above your head as a salutation to the Supreme Being. Then, in front of your forehead to pay respect to your Guru, and at the chest level to salute the audience. In the end, with a slight dip, lift and strike your right leg and finish with standing in Sama position. In the next lesson, we will be learning about the shlokas recited with Namaskaram. For regular updates on Bharatanatyam, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.